Hello viewers, this is Neil, and today we are going to look at how to insert cover pages in our document. So Microsoft Word has a special feature called the Word cover page. This cover page represents the main highlighted part of your document that contains the document title, pictures, company log, and information about the document. So it could be reports, it could be your personal findings, it could be biography. So you can use a cover page to summarize what is in the document. How do you insert cover pages? We come to insert and choose what? Cover pages under pages. Click on cover pages, then you choose the layout of the cover page that you want. So we have different types of templates of cover pages, so we can pick any. So I'll go with this integral. I click on integral. So when you click on it, it comes as your first pages, so the cover page is the one that comes first, then your other pages follows. So you can see we have the cover page having the picture, having the text, which you can edit. Just go ahead and edit according to your need. So you click there and then you say maybe this is my major report. Then you just come here also, you type, click there, then you delete what is there, then you type new text. You can see this is findings. We can say this document contains the findings of my annual lists different tribes in Uganda. Okay, so we can also give it what? A title. We can say date. Date 12th September 2022. So we can give it a date. So you can just go on editing the text. This is report from 10 tribes. Okay. So we can change also this picture. You can change this picture, or you can remove it using the available options of format, design, and layout on your menu bar. So you can click any of these options and then you format your picture. So that is a cover page in MS Word. And thank you very much for watching.